What is up, beautiful people? Welcome once again to Clothing. Welcome to another wonderful video. In this video, we are going to be discussing everything about the proper way to sew your garment, okay? So most of us are like, okay, yes, I know the seams are on the inside. Yes, I can get away with anything I do on the inside. But girl, you want your customers to stick with you. You want to have a unique identity, like what they know you for. You need to up the level of your sewing. How do you do that? How do you do that? See guys, so easy. You can start first with learning how to sew the widely accepted way. What do I mean? The international standard of sewing. That is what we're here to discuss about today. First of all, I'm going to show you some things. I'm sure you should leave that behind. That should be yesterday for you. And learn how to enclose your seams. Enclose your seams. There's no manual. There's no manual that will tell you this is how you enclose your seams. But guys, consciously with practice, you can see you will leave that old method behind. So let's go over to my table and let's look at the difference. If you are the customer, which one will you go for? So right here, see, this looks good. Doesn't it look good? It actually does look good, right? But this is where some of us are still stuck on. We are still stuck on this. That's showing that there's a seam on the outside this way. This actually does look good, right? Because we can see that, okay, we can see all the seams. There's nothing covered up in all the seams here. They are outside, right? See them. See the waist seam here. See the zipper allowance. See the side seams. See the armhole. Like everything is just out and bare to the open. So let me keep this. That should be yesterday. Now look at this. Look at this, guys. See the side seams. See the zipper area, right? You are not seeing the zipper allowance on the outside. See everything. Look at the waistband. Is this not like, can't you wear this inside out? This is the level you want to get to. You want to consciously get to this level. And it's with practice. It's with trying it, getting it wrong, losing and starting again. See, as a designer, there's no way you can avoid loosening up your seams. That's why we have seam rippers. So we have this, okay? And then look at this. This is more advanced. This is one of my earliest tutorials on this channel. Right? Can you see that both here, no armhole is showing here? Look here. Is there any, can you see any? No, it seems you're not. Coming closer and see. Coming closer and see what I'm showing you, right? See the seams. Look at the side seams, right? Can you see it? Can you see this one too? That means I can wear it both ways. Look at the armhole. Right? I'm sure you thought something like this could never be done. Look at the shoulder seams, right? So even look at the bottom part. This was one of my earliest tutorials on this channel. Guys, you want to get to this level. How do you do that? Let me just give you some little tips. First tip I'm going to give you is make sure you are sewing your lining as an external garment. So make sure, what did I say? Make sure that your lining is sewn as a separate garment, as an individual garment, okay? Sew it separately from the main fabric. And at the end of the day, you will now fuse them together, either on the neckline or on the hemline, or wherever you want that fusing to take place. There are some steps you need to just follow. And consciously, it gets better. But the first tip is make sure that the lining is an external garment away from the main fabric, okay? And then you then fuse them together somewhere. There should now be a connection, either at the hem, on the neckline, somewhere will just connect them together, okay? So I have all these videos, I'm going to link them like a playlist. I'm going to put a playlist of, in fact, all the videos I have on this channel where I have actually sewn something actually has the enclosed seam. Okay, wherever you see that I have sewn something, just go and watch and you will learn how to do your enclosed seams. Everything is all bare, so I just thought to bring it here because I'm sure that we're still stuck with the old method. See, all things are passed away, all things have become new. So guys, see you on the winning side, see you on the enclosed seam winning side. Okay, and yeah, I think that's about it. I just came on here to let's have a chit chat on that. Okay, and yeah, till we see in our next video, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up, do not forget to drop a comment if you think this was helpful, if you think you needed to hear this. If you also want more information, more knowledge, just let me know. WhatsApp number is here. Also leave it in the comments, I will respond to it. Till we see in the next tutorial, stay safe, God bless you all. Bye.